Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Capital One for digital statements and document storage. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your internet browser. In the address bar, type www.capitalone.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the first text field. Next, input your password in the second text field. Ensure that your credentials are correct before proceeding. If you've forgotten your username or password, look for the appropriate links below the login fields. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to the account dashboard. Look for the section labeled Statements and Documents. Click on that section to access your digital statements. Here, you can view or download your recent statements. If you want to store documents, select the option to upload files. Follow the prompts to upload your desired documents for storage. Once your documents are uploaded, they will be accessible anytime. To log out, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. Congratulations, you're now proficient in accessing your digital statements and using document storage with Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.